Hello everyone, welcome back to Codeless Magic. Hope you all doing great. So in this video, we will try to understand how to create an application. Basically, I am in the page of Appian community. So if you guys don't know how to create an account for Appian community, please watch my previous video so you'll understand. And by creating an Appian community, you can explore more. You can watch any kind of videos version updates, and you can also be certified. All the details will be captured here. Just try to log in, and also you can do all the practice. If you are a fresher, if you are like any other role, you can practice over your instance at any time. Okay, once after creating your Appian account, go to your this icon, profile icon. Just go under profile. There you can see your community edition, where you can practice your real-time solution or any problem statement. Okay, so I'm just clicking on accessing the environment. So it is getting loaded and it's getting opened. And here you will see an 9 dots. Just click on that Appian Designer, where you can build all your applications here. Okay, so this is the Appian Designer, where you can see applications and all this. We'll go one by one later on in further videos. So basically, while creating an application, we just want understand what is application, why is it necessary to create. Just understand why we need to create an application. Is it important in in Appian to build an application? So just try to understand. Okay, application is like a toolkit that helps business organize and manage their work in a simple way. That it is a collection of tools which will hold the collection of tools, and forms to fill the data, and workflows to handle tasks in a specific order, and connections to the other systems, and also we can define the rules how things should work. All this we can do under an application, and we can create any number of applications based on our requirements. So in our session, so let's create a POC for leave management. So let's get started with creating application practically. Okay, here you can see, let's get started. Under that you can see create new application. Okay, you need to click on that. Then there will be a pop-up created. Create new application, provide a name and prefix, and just provide the details. And if any groups we need, if any groups needed or security needed to that application, we will be clicking on it. If you not need, we will be unchecking it. I'll be explaining in my next video why is it important to have groups to the application, which is for security. I'll let you know in this next video. Okay, before creating application names, within application the object names, we need to follow standards, some of the standards. Appian defines some of the standards that we need to follow. Whatever the object we are creating, try to follow those standards. So even by following the standards, it will be very easy to identify the objects within the application. And also, if any other person coming new to your application, they also will be able to understand your application easily by following your object naming conventions and standard of the objects. Okay, so in order to understand how we need to follow the standard object names, we can quickly go to your Appian community. Under that you will have documentation. Under this documentation you can search with standard object names. So here you will be able to see standard object names. Okay, and also here you can find how they were configuring HR onboarding, and for unpublished application they are following some specific format. Like published applications are nothing but the end user can able to see, basic user end user can able to see, whereas unpublished applications we will be using within ourselves, we will not be exposing that to the external users. Okay, let's start with the published application. So this is the format we need to follow. Okay, starting letter, these are the two strings. The first string contains capital letter and the second string contains capital letter, which is proper casing. So the same format you need to follow. I'm creating leave management, which I have, this is the one string and this is the another string which contains space in between. So my prefix system will automatically generate the L and M. So in this way my prefix got generated. So by creating this prefix as a unique, you can find your objects easily within your application and outside the application. By searching with lm, you will be able to see lm underscore, you will be able to see whatever the objects which you have created, you can able to identify those. Okay, just this is my first application. I'm just clicking on create. Okay, so once after creating, a security application security got popped up. So this security and groups part I'll be explaining in next video. Stay tuned. Okay, just I'm clicking on save, and here you can able to see a pop-up. You can, it is not needed for now, it will show you all the objects, process models. If you want to create anything, you'll be showing here, but mostly we will be working under this build phase. So this is the explore phase and this is build phase and this is deploy and this is monitor. All the monitoring, process monitoring, everything, we will be go in detail further, but just focus on this build phase. Okay, so in this build you will be able to see plain panel for now, but later on we will get to know all these objects under this new to provide security and create filling the forms and workflow designs and connections to the other systems, rule to define, all this we will be doing within this. Okay, so if you click on here, you will be going back, here, and you can able to see your application created in Appian. So this is the creation of application. Yeah, thank you.